What a beautiful evening. Look at that sunset, folks. I'm here on beautiful Table Rock Lake in Branson, Missouri. My name is Jim Barber, and for the past 30 years, I've been an entertainer here in Branson, Missouri, doing my comedy variety entertainment for folks from all over the world. And for 10 years before I came to Branson, I was an entertainer on the college circuit, performing at just about 2,000 colleges. I performed at every Air Force base in the United States and dozens of NATO bases in Europe and the Mediterranean and cruise ships all over the world. But right now, my wife and I are in our mid-60s. We should be thinking about retirement, but guess what? We just bought a motorhome. We're going on the road and we're going to take the show with us. We are so excited to take Jim Barber and friends to RV parks, theaters, all across America. We're going to be in the Rio Grande Valley in Texas starting in December. We're going to be in Florida. We're going to be in Arizona. I'd love to come to a city near you or a RV park near you. Check out our full schedule on my website, jimbarber.com. Please follow us here on this channel. We'd love to keep in touch with you, and we'd love to see you, because I don't know if we're crazy or just having a late life crisis. We're actually in our third of life, folks, and we decided we want to make it count. We want to do the things that we've always said we want to do before it's too late to do them. And we'd love to have you come along for the ride. Join us as we bring the Barber Bus to a park or a theater or a church near you. We've got a great story to share, lots of fun entertainment too. I hope you'll join us.